You okay? You look exhausted. School's not easy, I know, but you gotta fight through it. You don't know how to fight. What? I meant it metaphorically, silly. What? Sorry. Someone's messing with you? Who is it? Ugh, that piece of crap. Don't let him get to you, okay? Seriously. Did they actually ever hit you? No? Okay, good. If they do, let Big Sis know, okay? Okay. Anyways, how you doing in school? I see. Hey, at least you're trying your hardest, right? Good. And even though I didn't do the best, I'm sure I could help you. So don't hesitate to ask if you're stuck, okay? I'm here for you, always, even when I'm not home. Just call me. So, with all your drama, do you still have, I don't know, someone you like at school? Sorry, I'm sure you don't want your sister teasing you about some little crush of yours. Huh? You do? Well, tell me about him. hmm hmm Hmm. Oh wow, you got it all down, huh? You must like him a lot. Just don't let him catch you staring or they'll think you're weird. I'm kidding. Are you friends with him? Ooh, that makes it a bit difficult, doesn't it? Well, if your feelings are true, I say go for it. I mean, they won't know how you feel if you keep all your feelings to yourself, you know? Yeah. By the way, I gotta go shopping. Want to tag along? Come on, don't be like that. I'll get you something if you come. It's a surprise.